Stop treating your supplement cabinet like a collection of magic potions that will fix a bad diet or a lazy training plan. There's one specific white powder that actually has decades of hard science backing it up. I am talking about micronized creatine monohydrate, specifically the version from that big brand everyone knows for their high quality standards. If you have ever tried the old school stuff, you remember the grit. It felt like drinking a glass of water mixed with beach sand. It never fully dissolved, and it usually ended up stuck to the side of the shaker bottle. That is where the micronized process changes the game entirely. They have ground the powder down into tiny microscopic grains. This means it mixes almost instantly. You can stir it into a glass of water with a spoon and it actually disappears. This matters because if the powder stays in the glass, it is not getting into your system. Once you drink it, the real work begins. Your body uses this stuff to regenerate the primary energy source for your cells. Think of it as the currency of power in your muscle tissue. When you are pushing for that last heavy rep or sprinting at full speed, your body burns through its stores fast. Having extra creatine available is like having a high-capacity backup battery. It allows you to push just a little bit harder for just a little bit longer. Over months and years, those extra reps add up to serious muscle growth and strength gains. But please do not expect a sudden buzz. This is not a stimulant. You will not feel your heart racing or your skin tingling. It is a slow burn supplement. You have to be patient. Most people fail because they take it for 3 days, do not see a massive change, and then quit. You need to hit a dose of 3 to 5 grams every single day. Do not skip days. Even on your rest days, your muscles need to maintain those saturation levels to keep the benefits active. You might hear people arguing about whether you should take it in the morning or after your workout. Honestly, the best research shows that the timing is almost irrelevant. Just get it in your body at some point during the day. Some folks like to do a loading phase where they take 20 grams a day split into several doses. This saturates the muscles in about a week. It is fine if your stomach can handle it. But for many, it leads to some bloating. You can just as easily take 5 grams a day and you will be fully saturated in about 3 weeks. It is a marathon, not a sprint. Let us address the weight gain. Yes, you will likely see the scale go up by a few pounds early on. This is not body fat. Creatine pulls water into the muscle tissue itself. This actually creates a better environment for muscle growth. You look a bit fuller and your muscles function better. Just make sure you are drinking plenty of water. If you are walking around dehydrated while taking this, you are asking for stomach cramps. This brand is known for being incredibly consistent. You are paying for purity and the peace of mind that there are no banned substances hiding in the tub. It is a simple, no-frills product that does exactly what it promises. It is the most cost-effective way to improve your performance. But remember, it only works if you do. If you are sitting on the couch, no amount of creatine is going to build muscle for you. It is a tool for the dedicated, not a shortcut for the lazy. Keep your expectations realistic. Stay hydrated. And keep showing up. That is how you actually see real progress.